model, 2015 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 1.6 TDI Highline DSG AUTONATIC needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 170703. MOT, 8 January 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. No warning lights on the dash. The gearbox is stuck in second gear, due to the Mechatronic that moves the gears automatically being faulty. It will need repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,